This is 1955 Smith Corona Silent Super. It has been fully restored, has a new platen in it, and it is ready for use. This beautiful machine is in near mint condition. It has just a few nicks on the finish. Right there is probably the worst one. The keys look great. Has a new platen rubber. There's a nick there too. And the back has a few marks on it. This machine also comes with its original case and a reprinted user's manual. The case is in fair condition. It is dented up a little bit and shows some wear and has some marks on it here and there. It has been cleaned and it is solid and it does latch well. I don't have a key for it. The bottom of it here is missing one of these feet. It will still stand out, but probably better to lay it down like that. It's for the 1955 Smith Corona Silent Super.